client brought this to me and asked me to revive this hair for her. It's a pixie hair. Guys, so welcome to my channel. So guys, this is how to bring your pixie or any curly hair back to life again. So first of all, we're going to go in on the closure, start working on the closure first. Just going to section it into smaller parts, and working on it with a hot comb and a wax stick. Just stick around and see and watch me do the whole process. In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright. Get your wax stick. Use your wax stick. Just a little bit. I use my hot comb to press it down and press it flat. Make sure it's lying flat. Just follow through, guys. Just watch, guys. Keep watching to understand the whole process. Our hearts are joined in harmony. A love so pure and free. You are my heart's desire, your soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. So guys, you can see that our closure is becoming flat and it's coming along just like we intended it to do, or we intended it for. And I really love the whole process. So it's going to take a bit of your time, but you just have to stick through with it. So now we're actually at the middle part, and I'm going to just repeating the same process. So this is how one part of the closure looks like after it's been worked on. So I just went ahead and did the other side off camera, just the same thing, and this is what you get at the end of it. So guys, just watch. Please drop your questions in the comment section. I also give an online class on this, on wig styling, different topics in wig styling, whatever topic you want, stretching, wigging. I give an in-depth online classes on this, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like on this video, as it help it to reach to other people. Please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. So to decide, so next we're gonna go in with a spirit spray to make that end very, very flat. So they're going to the remaining part of the hair. Make sure you brush thoroughly before using your detangling spray, and make sure you have the right mix of detangling conditioner and other ingredients in it. Make sure you have the right mix of products in order to get your pixie back to life, okay? In order to revive those curls and make the curls and make your curls to pop and your hair to bounce again. make sure you're also brushing thoroughly in order to detangle any tight, in order to detangle the hair and make sure that it's free and loose. Make sure the hair is free. So brush thoroughly, apply your spray and brush thoroughly until everything is detangled, the curls are popping and shining.
You're also welcome to join my membership classes. In this class, for just a token, you learn every course in my portfolio, okay guys? But if you choose that you want to learn just a single course, you can just pay for that single course and you're done. You want to upgrade your expertise, you want to start earning from home, are you a 9-to-5er, you want something on the side to start getting income, are you a stay-at-home mom, and you want to start serving this skill in your community, you're welcome to join my membership class. I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about wigs, making money from wigs, how to brand your businesses. It's everything. I'll be giving you the full bundle package.
The hair is already drenched at this stage. Now you know that the hair, most of the hair is already drenched. So you keep brushing it, guys. Keep brushing and using your spray. You can see our curls are beginning to pop out, and I'm loving it. I'm loving every look of it. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's just the easiest way to bring your curls back to life. If you want to learn more of this, I also give an in-depth training on the right products to mix, the right good product to mix for your detangling spray. I also give an in-depth training on this, everything you need to know, how to wig, how to style. Just links in the description for all details that you need. And see you guys in the class. Please don't forget to subscribe. So this is the final look. So this is how yours should look. You just set it to dry. And once it's dried, your pixie is back, your hair is back, your curly hair is back.
So once it's dry, you start getting something like this. So let me know what you guys think about it, about the transformation. Just drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm happy to be here with you guys, and I'm happy to also see you in the class. Catch ya, bye.